Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas and coming to you with another Saturday video. And today, what I wanted to do is kind of show you, we're going to call this trading day prep. Okay, it's what I do each morning. I spend about an hour each morning going through, basically just going through stocks. And I'll go through that process in a minute. The last couple of ones I showed you how I create these scans, how I use filters, especially position and range filters, to create these setups that I'm looking for, for a potential swing trade. I think I've shared a lot of these with people who've come to our website asking for them. I have no problem. And also I've created this handy little doc that has all of my favorite scans in one docked window, which makes it easy for me to do my homework each morning. All right, so let's dive into the process, what I do each day. I'll pull up this doc and I'll just go through, start going through symbols. And as I'm going through symbols, I'm looking at the potential for a swing trade. And then I'm using price alerts a lot, okay? I'm putting price alerts in that will create an alert if they hit my trigger point, okay? Doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to take a trade, but, maybe I can take a look at it, see, check out what the market. There's a lot of variables that goes into trading, but I do want to know if these trigger points has been hit. All right, and I'll just continue to go through symbols and using price alerts. And you will see, I just kind of want to throw this out there, occasionally you'll see a symbol in other scans as well. I mean, these scans, remember, they're all looking for nice setups, so they will have some overlapping symbols that appear sometimes in all three of them, like this DYN, which you can see is a pretty sweet setup. And I mean, it's unusual for them to hit in all three scans, but it can happen. But just want you to be aware, you will see some overlap. And as I'm going through and marking these up, I'm also going to drop these into what I call a spreadsheet. Okay, this is basically a Google Doc. So I'm just coming in, and as I'm looking at them, let's say that MindMed, I'm just going to drop it in here as I'm going through each symbol, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this doc in a minute. But once again, just spending probably about, I'd say 40 to 45 minutes a day just going through symbols and marking these up. And guys, I'm not always just marking them up on the upside for a break. Sometimes I'm marking them down, just kind of using this for example, if they pull back to a moving average as well. So not always looking for the breakout to the upside. I will put some in looking for a pullback to moving averages. All right, so I'm cruising along, and now I've got this doc that I'm working with. And after I finish going through all these scans, I'm dropping the ones that I like the best into this doc. Now, after all that is done, what I'll do is just take these, I'll scrape them, copy and paste them, and drop them into a symbol list or a watch list, okay? And then I'll have that watch list, and let me just bring it over for you. Hold on. Yeah, this is my swing trade watch list. A lot of stuff didn't work, and I didn't make any trades, I don't think, on Friday. Just the market. There's a lot of things that go into trading. Okay, there's more to it than just creating a watch list and just buying automatically when it triggers. But anyway, so you can do this if you want to watch it in a regular top list type fashion, or if you want to go to a tree map, you can also do that as well. And just a reminder, this is a global watch list. I think I maybe mentioned this last week. This is a global watch list, which means all the subscribers to Trade Ideas they have access to this watch list as well. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the homework. And I think I mentioned this last week. You did notice the ones that I highlighted, and let me bring this back over, highlighted in a yellow. Okay, these are typically the ones that I kind of favor the most. That doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to take the trade if it triggers, but these are the ones I think that are setting up the best. And then what I'll do is I'll take these ones that I highlighted and I'll make a Twitter video that you can see. If you go to Trade Ideas LLC, you can watch this each morning. I'll usually get it out about 30 minutes before the bell, sometimes maybe 20. All right, so that's pretty much my homework for today. And once again, keep in mind that these are swing trading setups. Okay, so you don't have to be uh, you need to be patient with these. Okay, so in other words, if a trigger point fires off, it doesn't necessarily you need to rush in and take the trade. Okay, this is I'm sorry, my little dog just walked up here. These are ideas that you're not looking to hold for 20 minutes. You may be looking to hold these for 20 days or longer. Okay, so just be patient when you do have a watch list. Don't look for your price. Don't just rush into a trade. All right, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to show you this real quick. If you do want access to this trading doc, just come over here to info@trade-ideas.com. Hit me up, ask for it. I'll be happy to share it for those that have trade ideas. And also, guys, hit me up. We have a pretty big sale going on, so hit me up if you want to get a code and also get access to my scans in my docked window. All right, hope you like this. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one.